Mastering Idioms, to lay down the law. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that you might have heard in movies, books, or even in everyday conversations, to lay down the law. This idiom is packed with meaning and history, and understanding it can add a new layer to your English communication skills. So, let's get started and unravel the secrets behind this expression. To lay down the law means to make rules or guidelines known very clearly and assertively, often by someone in a position of authority. It's about stating what is allowed and what isn't, leaving no room for ambiguity or debate. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from parental authority at home to supervisors in the workplace. The origins of "to lay down the law" can be traced back to legal settings, where judges literally lay down the law by providing rulings on cases based on the law of the land. Over time, this phrase transcended the courtroom and seeped into everyday language, where it now applies to any situation where someone is establishing clear rules or guidelines. To give you a better grasp, here are a few examples of how this idiom can be used. A parent might say to their child, "I need to lay down the law about your bedtime. You need to be in bed by 9 p.m. on school nights." In a workplace setting, a manager might announce, "I'm going to lay down the law about taking breaks. From now on, only one person can be on a break at a time." During a team project, a leader might declare, "We need to lay down the law about meeting deadlines. Every task must be completed on time, no exceptions." When using this phrase, it's important to remember that it often implies a certain level of sternness or firmness. It's not typically used for casual guidelines but rather for rules that are meant to be taken seriously. Also, consider the context and your audience to ensure the phrase is appropriate and won't be perceived as too authoritarian or harsh. And there you have it, a deep dive into the phrase, "to lay down the law." We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, origins, and how you can use it effectively in your own English speaking and writing. Remember, mastering idioms like this one can greatly enhance your fluency and help you sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful language learning content. Until next time, keep practicing and expanding your English vocabulary.